If I had a nickel for every time that somebody told me I don't have a contract, I'd be a rich man today. Maybe it's a quarter. I don't know. But I have heard that so many times, it's not even funny. And when I hear that, I know for a fact, well, actually, I'm 99.99% for sure that they do have a contract, or that you do have a contract. The reason why is that with the uniform rental companies are deceptive when they get you to sign. They'll call it an order. Sometimes they'll call it an order. Now, there are some good companies out there that have good practices, but there are a lot of bad actors out there that give the rest of them a bad name. So I do want to make sure I say that. But a lot of times, some of these people are just saying, hey, sign this order here. Yeah, no big deal. They're getting managers to sign this, and the managers are binding the owners who really have no idea what's happening. And at the end of the day, it could cost you when you get a new driver who's not giving you as good service as he used to. So when I've heard that, you do have a contract. The uniform rental companies are not going to service you without having a contract. There's only probably one way, and the most popular way that you're not going to have a contract is this: if you didn't have an automatic renewal clause in your contract, or you lined it out when you signed the contract, and then that contract has expired and you have not signed a renewal. That's pretty much the only time that or the uniform rental company, that's pretty much the only time that you're not going to have a contract, unless the uniform rental company has lost your contract. And I guarantee you, they have not lost your contract. So if you just call them up and tell the manager, I want a copy of my contract, and you're going to find out that you do have a contract. And when you do, if you're not happy, call me up. And a matter of fact, especially, please, don't cancel your contract. Don't boot them out until you find out you have a copy of a contract. Because what you're going to find out is that you're going to get a letter from the uniform rental company for liquidated loss damage charges, and they're going to be on the hook for a lot of money. And especially, don't sign another contract with another company until you are for sure that you do not have a contract with that uniform rental company. So if I can help, guys, please call me. The first call is always free. Like, subscribe. Don't forget to share me with some of your business friends. Put me in a forum or something like that so I can help other people, guys. All right, or maybe just file it away in case you ever need me. So we'll talk to you later. Until the next video, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.